brewing skills course from A to Z. In this course, I will try to guide you, and I will guide you through the different brewing methods, classification of all the brewing methods, and the best recipes, recommendations, best practices, and definitely how to use the brewing control chart. So in the brewing skills course, we will focus mostly on the practical standards, how to properly brew your coffee, what are the brewing methods, classification on brewing methods, and it will be so much fun. After this course, you will be able to professionally brew a lot of different brewers and to be confident about it. So it's time for us to start. We don't want to waste any time. Let's go on the next episode and let's classify all the brewers properly. See you there.